Hi, my name is Ben Versteegt. I am the digital design teacher here at AMADEUS. And today we received a package that will blow your mind. So this is a pretty big box, and what is inside is really pretty cool. So it's fragile. Sphero Bolt Power Pack. Let's see if we can unpack the power pack. Okay, so it's a big box. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. I think I've got myself a nice trolley for when I go on a plane. But wait, there's more. Look at this. When I open it, this is a Sphero Bolt, a Sphero robot. And the robot has many uses. It has all these functions that we can use. It has a gyroscope, an accelerometer, so it can measure all kinds of things. But the cool thing is, this robot is fully programmable. Of course, we need some people to test these robots. Guys, are you ready to test them? Yay! Okay.